Okay, good evening, everyone. Welcome to our Blitz to Ruby program. Can you guys hear me and see me?
Ayun si
Yes.
John po. Ay,
And so, pakimila lang. So, can you send me a chat message if you can hear and see me? Yes. Okay, thank you. So tonight we're launching this intensive Blitz program for individuals who are decided to become Ruby executives, non-negotiable in the next 100 days. And we will be talking about the fundamentals on how that will happen. And this will make your business more structured, more deliberate. So, first, let's review. We've seen this in the BOM. Lifestyle number one, most people acquire skills, work for 40 years, enjoy life for a while, and then the end. So, ito yung option if you do not blitz your business. If you don't achieve financial freedom, this is what's going to happen. But if you make a decision, then the lifestyle number two is about after acquiring skills, we work hard. Then we blitz our business. We blitz our business 1 year, 2 years. After 2 years, we follow through in the operational, in the training. And after that, we can enjoy the rest of our lives. This year is 2016. If you make a decision to blitz it for the next 6 months to 1 year, what's going to happen is that by 2020, you're not going to earn less than 500,000 pesos per month. Now, how do we do that? BDM. B, duplicate, multiply rubies. So, in the next 3 to 6 months, this is the objective. You develop four executives, and these four executives, together with you, are able to develop 3,000 GSV. How does the 3,000 GSV come in? Through upgrades in commitment, maturity, and skill sets. Once we are able to achieve this, then you are a Ruby executive earning roughly 75,000 pesos per month. In the succeeding run, you enroll the new executives to Go Ruby program for 100 days. Since you're able to do Ruby executive in 100 days, then you can also teach them how to do it. And so what happens? Duplication, 4 times 4, 16. And now your sales is $60,000. And you earn $3,000 as a commission and you earn 150,000. This can happen between 1 year, 6 months to 2 years, depending on how well you are focused and duplicating our Go Ruby program. Interesting part, after 1 to 2 years, if you are committed and focused, then the 16 people become Ruby executives. And then you have half a million, 600,000 pesos per month in terms of business income. By this time, your 16 Ruby executives will know how to lead the 64, and the 64 Ruby executives become 256 and then 1,000. So, this duplication process is simple to understand. The difficult thing to understand is how to execute it. And tonight we're going to talk about the fundamentals on how to become the first level, which is be a Ruby. If you are a Ruby executive already, then you are already thinking about how to become or to duplicate Ruby executiveship. Then you need to have your four people here in this meeting. And if they're not here, then you should be able to deploy this to them so that you can get to the next phase, which is 150,000 pesos per month. So, saan ba nagsisimula ang Ruby Executive? The new skin Ruby or Star mindset begins with a change in your mind. Change in your mind and who you are. and what is your role in your business. So, the first option is, what do? You have to level up. Level up what? You have to level up your mindset from downline to upline. Ano yung sabihin nun? Instead of thinking of yourself as a downline ni, you're thinking of yourself as a upline nila. Now, paano yan, Joe? Wala pa akong downline. Kaya walang downline kasi hindi ka pa nag-behave as an upline. So what you need to do, you have to behave as an upline even to your prospects, meaning you have to lead them already, even at the follow-up, at the presentation stage, from downline to upline mentality. So the key to your business growing is that you need to understand that even if you don't have an organization yet, you are training yourself to be an upline because you will not earn good money as a downline mentality. Ano yung downline mentality? Ano sabi ni upline? Kung ano sabi si upline, bahala na. Sino ang upline mo? Siya. Versus, kanyang group ka, you are creating your own business team. And you are working with others, but you are the upline, no one else. From follower to leader. Who's a follower? Everyone has to be a good follower of the system, but instead of just waiting, you now take the lead. Do you take initiative to bring your team or invite your team to the events? Do you take the initiative as a leader to read books? Do you take the initiative for your team to lead them to our go-to meetings? These are the behaviors that you need to have in order for you to become a Ruby executive. So number one, level up. Number two is full accountability. What is full accountability? Everything is on your shoulders. Hirap naman yan, John. Kala ko may system tayo. May system tayo, pero hindi ibig sabihin dahil may system, hindi ka na magtatrabaho. Dahil may system, hindi ka na mag-step up. Yung system pang-enhance, hindi siya pang-replace. I repeat, the support system is to enhance your raw strength, but not to replace your raw strength. If you have your raw strength, you apply it to the system, your strength will be from 2 to 10. Pero kung may system, tapos hindi ka pa nagtrabaho, paano yung magiging 2 to 10? Wala ka dyan. So full accountability for, number one, your group sales volumes. If you did 2,000 points, congratulations, you passed. It's because of you. If you did 500 points, 200 points, 50 points, it's all because of you. What you did not do. If you did 10,000 points, it's also because of you. If you did 40,000 points, it's also because of you. Accountability is the key to leadership. Number two, full accountability for your organization. Lumaki yung grupo mo dahil sa'yo. Lumit yung grupo mo dahil pa rin sa'yo. Steady lang yung grupo mo, sa'yo rin yan. Ikaw, hindi yung upline mo, hindi yung sideline mo, hindi yung synergy, none of them. You take full accountability for your organization. Third, personal development. Hindi ko pa alam. Hindi pa ako marunong. Kasi, ang daming rason. Wala akong confidence. Okay, what are you doing to develop your confidence? What are you doing to develop your skill set? So, full accountability for your personal development. That is the key. Hindi ka marunong, so what? What are you going to do about it? May exam ka this Saturday. Thursday na, hindi ka pa marunong, ang gagawin mo. You have to take accountability to study it. So, at the onset, we look at a lot of other variables, but this page here is fundamentally the reason why you become a Ruby or not a Ruby executive. Now, tonight, before we talk about the details of what you need to do, I will give you an opportunity to assess yourselves. And this assessment will tell you how ready you are to become a Ruby executive. So, I encourage you guys to fill this up in your respective pages on your respective sheets of papers. So, a couple of questions. Okay, I hope you're seeing the screen. This is a Go Ruby assessment. Your name. Number two, why do you want to become a star ASAP? What will change in your life if you once you earn a stable star income, 100, even 80,000 pesos per month? How intense is your commitment to become Ruby? Between 1 to 10. What commitments are you willing to make to become Ruby? BOMs per week, one-on-ones, NDTs, BDDs. How many? What are the challenges that have hindered you or may hinder you from achieving Ruby status? So these are business or personal. So meron dyan A or B. And lastly, number 6, key element of becoming Ruby is problem solving. What will you do to overcome these challenges, both the personal and the business situation? So what I'm gonna do is I'd like to give you a couple of minutes, 5 minutes to be exact, for you to answer these questions and be honest with yourself, because this Ruby program and your success cannot happen without you being ready to commit to it. So we'll take a 5 minute session. Please fill this up on your own sheets. We'll resume in 5 minutes. Okay, 1 more minute. Okay.
I think they're ready there. You might be late. Let me go there in the
Okay. So we will not discuss that in detail today. But what you can do is you can discuss that with your upline Ruby executive. So let's review who is a Ruby executive. So who is a Ruby executive in our business? Number one, should be earning roughly 100,000 per month from your new skin business. How do you earn that? You have to have a minimum of 6 executives in your organization. Bakit hindi 4? Kasi yung 4 na yon para maging may stability, dapat meron rin yun sa ilalim, isa o dalawa. So, it's not about just having 4, it's about having around 6. So, for us to able to process this effectively, that's all about who earns 100,000 pesos per month in your world. So, siguro, maybe we can get some feedback from everyone. May I ask sino yung ACM? Mr. ACM? Mr. ACM? Angie? Okay. Angie, pwede ka mag-unmute. Angie, can you hear me? Hello, Angie? Okay, wala. Si ACM. Okay, next. Si Dina. Dina Koyong, is this you? Dina? Do you mind unmuting? Dina? Can you talk? Okay, so anyone? Can you, Dina, can you hear me? Wala. Okay. Dina? Wala si Dina. Eric na lang. Eric. Eric, are you there? Hello?
Ay, kung ba, ay, parang doon ay connect.
Kinsan eh?
Magdasig-dasig.
Yeah, I can hear you. Who's this? So let me ask you individually, if you ask yourself, in your environment, who's earning 100,000 pesos per month? Mon? Nandiyan ka, Mon? Mon? Raymond? Raymond?
Yes, Dan.
Sa bangko, si Raymond is a vice president for Metrobank. Mon, sa bangko, sino kumikita ng 100,000 per month? Or above?
Yung mga, yung mga AVP sa naman.
AVP na. So, yung AVP is earning or the 100,000. Normally, ilang years from start of working to graduate to become AVP?
Normally kasi sa bangko, yung mga AVP, yung mga pa-retire na din.
Pa-retire na rin. Ilang taon na yan?
Mga 45 years old din.
45 years old. So, before they earn 100,000 per month, 45 years old na sila sa bangko. Assistant Vice President.
Oo.
So, ibig sabihin, kung
Oo.
21 nagsimula, around 20 years magtatrabaho para sumahod ng 100,000 pesos per month.
Ganun na lang.
Tama ba? So, pag AVP,
Ganun.
pag AVP, magaan o madali magaan o mabigat ang trabaho?
Ika.
Ano yung mga qualities ng isang tao na kumikita ng AVP? Ano yung dapat na behavior niya sa trabaho?
Dapat kabisado mo na lahat ng operations ng bangko. Tapos dapat madami malaki din portfolio mo.
Okay. So, if that person is earning 100,000 per month, around how many hours a day should they be working?
Magkano? Mga more than 12.
12 hours a day?
Mga 15 siguro.
15 hours a day?
12 to 15 hours.
Seryoso?
Yes. Kasi, ang AV, mag-ate siyang pumapasok din.
Talaga? Sipag 45 na, sipag.
Tapos kung sasarado ng vault.
Wow. Hirap Okay. So, AVP, pag may problema, kanino pupunta?
Ang AVP?
AVP, sino yung sumasagot ng mga problema? Yung AVP? Yung mga bank managers pupunta sa AVP?
Yes. Lahat. Basta lahat na nangyayari. Lahat.
Okay. Thank you, Mon. So, 24 years in the banking industry and 12 to 15 hours a day of work. Okay, Raymond, thank you.
Thank you, John.
May I ask, si Mai Miss Lang. Mai, can you speak up? Mai, sa ka ba nag-work? Sa government, sa isang government department. Sino ang kumikita ng 100,000 per month? Hello, Mai? Are you there? Wala si Mai. Jared na lang, Jared, fresh from Fujitsu ba? Jared, can you give a little background sa Fujitsu? Sino yung level na kumikita 100,000 per month?
Hello.
Yeah.
Nasa office ako.
Okay.
Yeah, 100K a month would be senior manager level. And usually they stay here for 20-25 years. Tatlo lang senior managers namin .
Okay. So they say 20 years. So before they can become senior managers, 20 years muna ng trabaho.
Yeah. Yung regional VP namin was here started here. Fresh grad. Bago na nag-VP, it's after 35 years na.
35 years? 35?
Yep, 35.
Okay.
VP level lang.
Okay, yeah. So can you tell me how what kind of responsibilities, or can you describe what are the qualities that a senior manager should have in order to be promoted to that level?
In terms of competencies, kasi ang hawak na niya is a line of business . So minimum of mga 400, 500 people.
Wow.
Tapos handling managers na rin.
Okay.
So dapat meron technical expertise, mainly IT expertise, and then as far as leadership is concerned, they should have a keen understanding of organizational process.
Okay.
May client relations din kasi nagbebenta sila ng services sa different clients and prospects.
Okay. They work on the average how long per day?
Matagal. Kulang sa kanilang 8 hours. Minsan may take home pa. So On an average siguro, ballpark figure would be mga 10 to 12 hours per day.
Wow, okay. 35
Yeah.
years and 10 to 12 hours a day. Wow.
Yeah.
Okay. That's kind of
Oo,
tough.
demand ng IT kasi. Yeah,
Okay. Thank you, Jared, for sharing.
no problem.
Okay. May I also ask si Ange Abrevalo. Ange, is your mic okay? Working?
Yeah, hello.
Yeah, Ange.
Hi, John.
Hi, si Ange is a sales director, no? Sales director for a direct selling company. She used to be working with Avon. Ange, anong level ang kumita ng 100,000 per month sa direct selling industry corporate side?
When I was in Avon kasi it's just mga division head eh.
Division head.
So, pero more of sa sales function. So, kasi sila yung mas matataas talaga yung sweldo.
Okay. How long does it take to become division head?
It depends no. Kung multinational like Avon, siguro when you stay kahit na mga 10 years.
10 years.
10 to 15, oo.
10 to 15 years na division head. Tama?
Yes. Minimum yun, 100.
Pag division head, anong scope ng responsibilities niya?
Para siyang regional sales manager na handling mga 1 billion sales na yung target nun.
1 billion per year. Wow. Okay.
In a year.
Ngayon, pag normally, 10 years, so mga 30 plus to 40 years old yan, no?
Hindi. Mga 40?
40 and above. Okay. So, 40 and above. Yes. And normally, do they have stress in their jobs?
Oo, stressful. Oh.
ilang hours?
Stressful talaga ang sales kasi you always have quota to meet, di ba? Every month, weekly. So, yung stress level mo walang kapalit sa sales eh.
Okay. Ilang hours na din nagtatrabaho ang sales division head?
Again?
How many hours a day nagtatrabaho ang division head?
Just like yung someone said, mga 10 to 12 hours a day for 6 days.
Okay. But would you agree na for people to get to division head, karaniwan, di ba, maraming junior level. So, yan, parang survival of the fittest rin, yung pinakamagaling ay ipopromote?
Yes, oo. Okay. Hindi lahat capable be promoted. Siguro out of mga 40 sales personnel, ang promotion would happen every 10 years eh.
10 years? Wow.
Oo.
Wow. Kailangan talaga sanay ka mag-rosary, no? Parang tatapusin mo. Okay. Anyway. Rosary kasi inulit-ulit mo lang. Tapos, ayun. 4 decades. Anyway. Thank you, Ange, for sharing. Wow. Division head. 10, sometimes 20 years. But working also heavily and a lot of stress. 1 billion. Paano kung 800-900 million lang yung benta?
Hindi pa yung division. Mga zone manager lang yon. Siguro yung mga range ng income nila would be mga 75,000 yun a month.
Ange, pag division head ako, 1 billion ang quota ko. Tapos this year, ang na-reach ko lang 800 million. Anong gagawin sa akin?
Ano naman siya? Siguro, di ba may performance evaluation? So, mga 3 years lang yung span of mo. Parang 3 years kang pagbibigyan. Otherwise, you will be out of the job na.
Paano naman yung matrikula ng mga anak mo? Paano naman yung mga tuition fee ng bata, paano yung amortization ko? 800 million din yun, ha?
Oo. So you look for another job. Ganun naman usually eh. They jump from one company to another.
I see. Okay.
Pero it's hard lang kasi difficult din makakuha ng multinational na same industry. Otherwise, yung mga local company kasi mas mabababa yung offer.
I see. So, in a way, nagda-downgrade pag hindi na-meet yung 1 billion per year o yung quota.
Hindi naman. Totally yung iba, umaalis na lang.
Umaali.
They look for another employer.
Okay. Thank you, Ange, for sharing. At least we get a perspective of the direct selling industry, corporate side. Thank you.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Okay. Sino pa? So, what are we learning? Okay, Ludette, may I ask you, si Ludette, more than 20 years na rin yata nagtatrabaho si Ludette eh. Ludette is from Philippine Airlines. So, Ludette, can you open your mic? Is it working? Okay, wala si Ludette. Yan, Ludette.
Sorry, I'm driving.
It's okay. Speaker mo na lang.
Hello?
Yan. O, di ba? Ang galing natin. Nagda-drive ka, naka-training ka pa. Di ba? So, anyway, Ludette, how long have you been working with PAL?
Too long. Tagal na, 20 years.
20 years. Wow. So, sa PAL, anong level ang kumikita ng 100,000?
Yeah. Sorry?
Anong level ang kumikita?
Hello?
Anong level sa PAL ang kumikita ng 100,000 per month?
Siguro mga senior manager. Medyo nag-iba kasi ngayon yung PAL eh.
I see.
Dahil di ba nag-iba kami ng nag-Lusyutan, tapos nag-San Miguel, tapos balik sa Lusyutan. So, medyo nag-iiba yung
Okay. So, if a senior manager becomes earns 100,000.
May mga bago na manager.
Okay. Ludette, pag gano'n, pag 100,000 per month ang kinikita ng isang senior manager, gaano katagal para ma-promote to senior manager sa PAL?
Manager or senior.
How long to be a senior manager? From
Medyo nagkaroon ng lull for a while eh. Puro at least 15 years.
15 years.
Pero ngayon medyo nag-iba nga. Pero for mga 15. For a while kasi meron kaming parang something for mga 8 years.
8 years, pwede na.
So parang walang movement.
Okay. So, 8 years.
Yeah,
More than 8 years.
More than 8 years. I would say, 10 years before. Now, 10 to 15. Ngayon, medyo baka shorter na.
Okay, yung mga senior
masyadong ayos yung safety o ng mga ibang department.
Okay, yung mga senior managers, yung ba nag-overtime? Yung mga senior managers?
Oo. Walang duda yan.
Walang duda? ilang hours a day sila nagtatrabaho? Ha?
Overtawad meron.
Overtawad? Okay, mga abutin ng alas 8, alas 9, alas 7 sa office?
Oo, kasi ngayon kakaalis ko lang.
Kakaalis mo lang?
So, meron pang naiwan doon. Yung
kumain ka na ba?
Managers na.
Okay. So, thank you.
Kanina.
Okay. Thank you, Ludette. Drive safely. Okay.
Thank you.
So, we have established a couple of facts. In different industries, normally it takes at best 10 years, on the average 20 years, for most people to earn 100,000 per month. And then, after they earn 100,000 per month, they have to work more than 10 hours a day. and they have more stress. And if they do not meet the expectations, they are asked to leave or they leave and find another job. So, why are we talking about this? Because if we want to become a Ruby executive and we want to earn 100,000 per month, it is possible in New Skin, but you have to understand what we're really doing here. What are we doing when we become a Ruby executive? We are compressing 20 years of toil, hard work. And after 20 years, another 20 years yan. And no asset, no business in place, in view. We're compressing that to what? Maximum of 2 years? Kung yung 10 years at saka 20 years na pinaghirapan mo, nag-overtime ka na rin, namuliti ka na rin, tatanggapin mo, bakit hindi 2 years ng pagsisikap? Bakit hindi 1 year ng pagsisikap? 3 months pa lang, dapat willing na tayo. So the next 100 days, if you were vying for that promotion, vying for that position, most people work hard, blitz their jobs for 10 years. Today, we're going to talk about how to blitz it in less than 6 months. So, can you imagine what kind of savings in terms of time, efficiency, and talent we can have by becoming a Ruby executive? So we just need to be fair with ourselves and our business that this is a shortcut. It is not going to be simple and easy, but it is doable. If you expect it to be simple and easy, try your job for 20 years and see where it gets you. If you want to earn 100,000 per month in a traditional business, try it, okay, and see your 3 million pesos investment where it goes. Okay? So if you've done a business to earn a stable 100,000 net income clean per month, it is not simple. So we are consolidating 20 years for a lot of people into 2 years, into 6 months, and in this program, 90 days to 100 days, so that we can earn 100,000 per month within the next 3 to 6 months instead of the next 20 years. So if you understand that, then you also need to understand if you are to be promoted to a senior manager level after 20 years, and sinabi nga, hindi lahat na promote, what qualities are expected of these people to be paid as such? Siyempre, fair dapat tayo sa New Skin. Alam na sa trabaho natin, 20 years nga tayo mag-aantay. Bilib na bilib pa nga tayo. Dito, 2 years. 20 years ang mag-aantay, sip-sip, higop, traffic, overtime, politika. Dito, 2 years. Tapos sa'yo pa talaga. So, bakit tayo nag-iinarte? Di ba? So, first, for people to get promoted to that level, I was promoted and earned 100,000 per month after 5 years, 6 years of working, and that's because I was with a big multinational. And not all of my batchmates in Ateneo, I mean, we've graduated since 1998, so that's around 18 years already. A good 80% of them are not earning over 100,000 per month after 18 years of working. Dito, maging Ruby executive tayo, for us to be promoted in a job to earn 100,000 per month in that position, what qualities are expected of us to be paid as such? The reason we ask this is because for us to understand that we already qualify to become Ruby is to understand that we are also pursuing a certain achievement, but in a shorter time span. And for us to achieve that, you have to demonstrate. New Skin has already demonstrated itself. You need to demonstrate to yourself, to your downlines, to your organization, to your clients, the qualities that deserves 100,000 per month. Deserves. Hindi porket nag-join ka ng New Skin, tapos attend ka ng training. Dapat kikita ka ng 100,000 per month. Number 1, 100,000 per month is not a rank and file income. It is a senior manager income. A senior manager is responsible for certain divisions. In one case, 400 employees. In another case, 1 billion pesos in annual revenue. So, therefore, to earn 100,000 per month, you must be a leader in the world outside. You must be a driver of people, of organizations. Show me a person who's earning 100,000 per month and does not have any leadership role. Number two, normally, people who are senior managers are expected to uplift the status quo, to upgrade the status quo. Therefore, they're also expected to become what we call a change agent. Change agent. They are able to change other people and develop other people. Change the status quo from downtrend or flat to uptrend. That is a change agent. And lastly, most of the people who are senior managers, they have people under them that they are responsible for training. So, if you want to earn 100,000 per month, you need to qualify for that. And you need to qualify for that by being the right person who will earn that in the real world after 10 years at best, in Nu Skin after 2 years. So when you become an executive or when you qualify for LOI, what happens? The company is looking at your performance before they give you the 100,000 per month. Ganun rin naman sa trabaho mo. So do you deserve it already? How badly should you be working? So let's talk about how you can be Ruby executive in the next 100 days. And this is going to be a challenge, not a training. When I say not a training, it's not because I teach you, it means you're going to be Ruby. What I teach, it is up to you whether you're up to the challenge to execute and realize. So becoming Ruby is like, okay, there are 10 slots for senior manager. There are 40 of you who wants this position. From 50,000 per month, you now earn 100,000 per month. 6 months qualification. Who's willing to join? Okay, top 5 performers become Ruby. But in this case, wala tayong limit. Ang tanong na lang is wala nga tayong limit. Ang tanong is ano yung performance level mo? So let's talk about this course called Be Do Have. What I learned is that for us to become a successful leader, it has to happen from inside first before outside. You need to be a Ruby executive inside first before recognized externally as one. When we asked Percy Lazo how long it took him to become Blue Diamond, ang sagot niya simple lang. 1 minute. Oh, 1 minute? Naging Blue Diamond ka? In 1 minute, I became Blue Diamond. But the recognition happened 7 years later. Bakit? Kasi in the first minute that he joined the business, he said to himself, I'm gonna be Blue Diamond. In the process lang, yung 7 years. Pero in his mind, he's already a Blue Diamond. He sees himself as the upline of 12 legs and leaders. So, if you want to be a Ruby executive, you have to be a Ruby inside first before recognized externally as one. So how do you behave? Do you behave like a baby to your upline? Or do you behave as a leader wanting to be promoted like you would be in a job after 20 long, highly politicized years? So dito, trabaho lang. What is a Ruby executive inside? Let's review. Number 1, 100% accountability. 100% accountability. If your business is going to grow and you will be Ruby, it's not up to your upline. It's up to you. It is not about the trainings. It's not about the books that are in front of you. It's about you, whether you read it, whether you execute it, whether you apply yourself fully. So if it's up to B, it's up to me. 100% accountability also means no more upline mentality. When we launched this program, interestingly, one of our 3-star creators, so the only one 3-star creator in the Philippines, Robin and Kiara. At that time, si Kiara, when I said, no more upline mentality, dati executive siya dati, nagpapasama siya. Galvanics pa demo, Grace, samahan mo naman ako. Tapos pag hindi siya magtatampo. Kasi ang behavior downline. Yung sabi ko, no more upline mentality. So if you want to join this Ruby program, you have to do what you need to do without an upline. Bakit? Paano ka matututo kung laging upline mo ang gumagawa para sa iyo? No more upline mentality. Bakit? Kasi hindi ka downline eh. Upline ka ng ibang tao eh. So, kailangan ka pa mag-practice. Habang nagsisimula ka, mag-practice ka na. Kasi tinitingnan ka ng mga prospects mo. Follower ka ba o leader? Kasi they're not gonna sign up because of your upline. They're gonna sign up because of you. The question is, are you worth following as a leader? No more upline mentality. And again, 100% accountability for income, for group sales volume, for organizational growth. Pag senior manager, tapos hindi kumota, yung quota 100 million, yung na-achieve lang 60 million, pwede ba niya sabihin, kasi managers ko palpak eh. Kasi yung branch head ko palpak eh. Kasi ganito, kasi binaha. Walang excuses. Bottom line, you did not perform to par and then your assessment and evaluation for your job is poor. Sabi nga, after 3 years, goodbye. Ganoon lang kasimple, wala nang drama-drama. Right? Buti nga sa business natin, kahit natamad-tamad tayo, pagbibigyan pa tayo. Ilagay mo sarili mo sa multinational company at humingi ka ng 100,000 per month salary, hindi pa nga business income. Tingnan mo kung anong kailangan mong gawin. Okay? So, 100% accountability first. If it's up to me, it's up to me. Second, 100% commitment. Solid work ethics. Do what needs to be done. Once upon a time, I was choosy on my work schedule. Dapat Thursday sa Ortigas. Dapat sa Wednesday sa Alabang. Pag Ortigas lang. Hindi na pupuntang Parañaque. Hindi na pupuntang QC. Ortigas lang lahat. Paano doon? Hindi pupunta yung mga prospect. Kasi busy sila. Nasa Quezon City, nasa Alabang, nasa Naga. So, anong gagawin natin? Nagbago yung business ko when I was willing to get out of my comfort zone. May prospect sa Davao. Lang may gastos akong 10,000 sa pamasahe at hotel. No problem. Do what needs to be done. Go. May prospect sa Alabang. Go. Merong BOM sa Pangasinan. Akyat. Pagbaba, Wednesday, may BOM sa Alabang. That's sa 5 p.m. Nasa Balintawak. Sirit pa rin sa Alabang. 7 o'clock nandoon. Galing ng Pangasinan, dumiretso pang Alabang. Bakit? Kasi kailangan gawin eh. Subukan mo mag-inarte sa boss mo na kumikita ka ng 100,000. Ay, layo, boss. Ayaw kong pumunta dyan. Boss, gabi na. Next time na lang. Boss, pagod na ako. Boss, pwede bang masyadong maaga yan 7 a.m.? Pwede bang next time na lang? So, in a job, for 20 years of working, for you to earn 100,000, you give 100% commitment. But what about a 2-year at best, 2-year at most project? What about a 6-month project to earn 100,000 per month in your own business? What is your commitment? Number 2, drive the line, which means work downwards with your team. And while we create executives, we find the leaders. And number 3, blitz it. So when we say blitz it, you run fast. In physics, and when you ride an airplane, there's a concept called escape velocity. Escape velocity is when the airplane must be at a certain speed for it to escape the pull of gravity. Escape velocity ang tawag doon. So, if an airplane is moving at 10 kilometers per hour, it will not have escape velocity. It needs to move at around 70 to 100 kilometers per hour. And then, it's gonna tilt its wings so that the air is gonna push the gravity, or the force is gonna push downward, and it's going to lift the airplane up. resisting gravity of complacency and mediocrity and procrastination. So, if you want to get to Ruby, you need to achieve escape velocity in yourself. You need to achieve escape velocity in your actions day to day. If you do your business jogging, try to fly a kite walking. Try to pilot an airplane at 10 kilometers per hour. Try to pedal a bike slowly up a hill. Marunong mag-biking, lagay mo yan pataas. Tapos slow motion ka, tingnan mo kung ano mangyari. Tingnan mo kung ano mangyari. Napakahirap. So, ano kailangan natin gawin? You need to get yourself to a velocity of action that will escape the gravity of your mediocrity, your complacency, and your comfort. And that is why in New Skin, you will discover the best you, because once you become Ruby, then you would have let go of your sandbags of mediocrity. Okay, so if we understand this already, actually tapos na yung training dapat, pero ito pag-usapin natin ano yung mga natin gawin. Roadmap to Ruby, the focus is building the organization. Building the organization, not just selling the products. Number 2, you're looking for LOIs and business builders, secondarily clients. What is a strategy? Very simple. Do it every day. Just do it every day. Talk to people every day. And how do you sustain their business? You have to drive it deep and plug them in. Plug them into the system. Don't do everything by yourself. You work one, bring to the system. One, bring to the BUM, NDT, BDD. Bootcamp, cash flow. One, bring them, plug them in. Kung hindi, ano mangyari? Kung hindi siya naka-plug, parang iPhone ko, mabilis mag-lobat. So, pag lobat na, kailangan ng charge. Eh, bakit lobat yung lahat ng downlines mo? Kulang sa charge. Kailangan mo i-plug in. Ba't ka lobat? Kasi hindi ka nag-attend ng training. So, that's what we need to do. Okay? So, if you understand this well, let's move forward on what to expect. So, when you start the business and you file for LOI, something happens. Before LOI, relax ka lang. Pag LOI mo, boom, ano mangyari? Suddenly, you have to meet 1,000 points, 2,000 points, 3,000 points. Pressure na. So, dahil may pressure na, dati hindi ka nagtatawag, hindi ka nakipag-usap sa tao. Ngayon, kailangan mo na magtawag kasi meron ng deadline eh. Ano mangyari? You will experience a first set of challenges. That's guaranteed. All of us go through this. What's the first set of challenges? Rejection and distraction. Ano yung rejection? People saying no. Ano yung distraction? Ay, mag-Facebook muna ako. Ay, tambay, matutulog muna ako. Ay, magtrabaho muna ako. Ay, anong gagawin mo? Whatever it is, basta hindi yung align sa goals mo. So, this is the first step. And these challenges are normal for a lot of us. And in these challenges, meron magkakaroon tinatawag na elimination round. Yung first elimination round, parang first task, kung hindi mo kaya lampasan ito, mag-quit. And pag nag-quit, anong nangyari? Eliminated from the financial freedom race. Where do you go back to? 20 years of politics, hard work, and after 20 years, another 20 years, go back to the slow track. Work hard for 40 years. Kasi eliminated sa financial freedom race eh. But if you're the type of person who can overcome rejection and focus on your business, then you will become what? An executive. Congratulations. So, na tayo dumadaan dyan. Now, pag executive ka na, iba na. Iba na ang challenge. Ano mangyayari pag may executive ka? May downlines ka, may LOI ka, may qualifying executive. Magkakaroon ng attrition and apathy. So, ang rejection tsaka distraction, elimination round yan. Sino yung papasa sa elimination round na yan? Yung kaya maging resilient at focused. Resilient and focused. Kung wala kang resilience and focus, hindi ka maging executive. May executive ka, may challenge naman ngayon. Ano yung challenge? Attrition. Ano yung attrition? Mag-quit yung mga tao. Apathy, deadma. Hindi magre-respond. So, again, may elimination round yan. Kung hindi mo natutunan yung, hindi ka tough enough at hindi ka marunong, quit ka. Saan ka pupunta after elimination round? Back to working hard for 40 years. Back to linear income. Back to forever working. Okay? So, how do you solve attrition and apathy? Leadership and training. And once you learn how to do leadership and training, then you become a Ruby and eventually a Blue Diamond and Team Elite. That is the basic cycle for everyone. And there's a process that we need to get through. And if you do not move yourself to the next level or you get eliminated, anong other option? You know it already if you've been doing for a long time. The option, therefore, is only to succeed here and to become the best that you can be. So now let's talk about how you can become a Blue Diamond Team Elite or initially a Ruby Executive. So transform to Ruby in 90 days. I-compare natin sa TR90. Sa TR90, what makes a person fat? Number 1, poor muscle and poor metabolism. High body fat, high visceral fat. What makes a person unsuccessful in business? Kung poor muscle, ito poor leadership. Poor metabolism is poor actions. High body fat is puro excuses, high excuse rate. High visceral fat, high internal drama. Bakit wala kang 555? Bakit wala kang kausap? Kasi, then, maalaala mo kaya segment. Right? So, that's the reason why people are not successful. It's not because of the business. It's because people have poor leadership, poor actions. Puro excuses. Puro drama. So, lack of success in business and lack of success in health is caused by unhealthy habits and unhealthy choices. On the other hand, what makes a person fit? High muscle, high metabolism, low body fat, low visceral fat. So what makes a person successful in business? Or a Ruby? Great leadership and great actions. Dahil mataas ang leadership mo, you take great actions. Right now, as we speak, do you doubt yourself or are you up to the challenge? No excuses. No drama. Kaya ano yung Ruby? So it's not about the situation. It's about who you are inside. So our program in the next 100 days, or the 90 days, is to help you transform unhealthy habits to healthier habits, unhealthy choices to healthier choices. So our program is simple. In the TR90 program, we have the right supplements to build your muscle and metabolism, to reduce your fat, to increase your antioxidants, and this will help you transform your mind and body to become leaner and healthier. But it's not enough to drink the right supplements. Kailangan meron ka ring right nutrition. You have to be eating the right food at the right interval, at the right portions, at the right sequence. And also you have to have the right accountability. May journal ka para malinis. Now, in our program to become Ruby in 90 days, you also need the right supplements, the right training, BDD, Star College, online training. Why? In the same way that the supplements develop your muscle, help you develop your muscle, the training helps develop your leadership, help you reduce your fears and doubts, improve your attitude, and transforms your mind and body. So kung dati lanta ka na obese, through the TR9 supplements, we will change your physiological mechanisms. And through those changes, you become stronger and have higher metabolism. But it's not enough to have the training if you're not taking the right actions. What is the right action? Simple lang. Every 5 days, meron kang 5 presentations. The right sequence, invite, present, sponsor, train. And lastly, the right accountability. You want to have a mentor and you need to be weekly monitored about your progress. So you need to journal and use the cap sheet. And this will transition you. So kung ang TR90 dapat 1 kilo per week ang weight loss, ang Transform to Ruby in 90 days dapat 1 LOI per week. Sa simula, kulang pa. Syempre, ni-rehabilitate pa natin yung muscle and yung physiology. So, ano dapat ginagawa? Dapat hindi nag-miss ang training. So, if you want to become successful, there are 2 decisions that you make in doing Nu Skin. Number 1, I'll do Nu Skin. All of you who are in this workshop right now, you have decided to do Nu Skin. But that's not the only decision. The second decision is this. I will be a star creator no matter what. I will be successful in this business no matter what. So, these are the 2 decisions. If you are a Ruby, you need to make the right decision, and that is both decisions. You'll do Nu Skin and you will be a star creator no matter what. At the same time, you also need to get other people to get to decision number 1 and then decision number 2. So our job as we pursue this business is to get people to a point of decision making. And if you want to become Ruby, you need to get people to a point of committed decisions. Last night we talked about this. How can you get people to committed decisions if you're not committed to yourself? So how do you understand your committed decision? Well, unang question, committed ka na ba? Okay, how to do this? Understand your personal journey. So in maximizing your productivity, you have to have 3 elements. Number 1, clarity of outcome. Ano ba yung end result ng gusto mo? Number 2, consolidation of power, meaning you need to channel your energy into the right activities. And number 3, commitment to disciplines. Okay, so we'll talk about these individually. First, clarity of outcome. What do you want to achieve in the next 90 days? 4 to 8 executives in your team. Pwede 4 wide, 8 wide, or best is 4 by 2. 4 by 2. And you want to be setting up a 100 to 120,000 per month in the next 90 days versus 20 years. So 20 years or 90 days. Your output should be Ruby Executive Qualification by January 2017. And the distributors that you are able to bring into your business must be plugged into our system. Hindi Soul of Light. Kung Soul of Light, ang tawag dyan is maubusan ng gas. Pag ubusan ng gas, lobat na, hindi mo na matawagan. Hello. Okay, wala na. Lobat na sila. Lobat na sa puso. Lobat na sa excellence. Lobat na sa inspiration. So, if you're not yet a Ruby executive, you have to have clarity of outcome. Now, after clarity of outcome, we talk about consolidation of power. So, what is consolidation of power? In Kung Fu, when they chop the blocks, the martial artist consolidates all the energy to the hand. So that when it hits a target, andun yung full strength ng buong katawan ng karatista. So tayo lahat, marami tayong energy, I hope. Ang question is, diffused ba siya? Diffused saan? Sa Facebook, sa balita, sa chismis, etc., etc. Or is it consolidated to the most important activities that you need to invest to grow your business? So we're going to just talk about 2 parts of your business that you need to invest and channel your energies to. The first is building the business. What do you do in building the business? Prospecting and inviting, presenting and closing. So how do you do that? You prioritize top prospects and you have 5 top prospects presented to every 5 days. Very simple. Very simple. Are you channeling your energy towards this? If you channel your energy towards this, what happens? You sponsor people. But what happens when you sponsor people? Hindi ka pa buoy confidence kung ano ituturo sa kanila. That is why, as you recruit your students, you equip the teacher as well. And who is the teacher? That is you. Build your leadership. So, what do you need to do? Attend and promote events. Attend, ikaw pupunta doon. Promote, sasama mo sila. Attend, ikaw lang isa. Pero ito, attend and promote, ikaw pupunta, kasama mo sila. So how do you do that? You have 2 BOMs per week attendance so that you can learn how to speak and run the BOM. So we have BOMs Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Saturdays. Choose at least 2. Highly recommended Saturday afternoons para available yung mga prospects natin. NDT at least once a week. You doing it or you listening to your upline, or it can be a group BOM in Octagon. And BDD once a week. Number 2, engage self and others in personal development, which means reading books, listening to CDs, personal development. Bakit? Habang nire-recruit ang students, mamaya may 20 students na. Isang estudyante mo doon, matalino. Ikaw, hindi mo inaral lahat ng math mo. Ikaw pang nabara sa harap ng ibang tao. Bakit? Ba't ka nabara? Hindi dahil bastos yung estudyante. Dahil hindi ka nag-aaral. Kasi andyan naman lahat BOM, NDT, BDD, nasa libro. So what do we want to do? We want to build the business and build our leadership. Anything outside of that, don't need too much time on anymore. So building the business, building your leadership, focus. Focus on energy, karate chop, all the energy towards these. That is what we call consolidation of power. Lastly, commitment to disciplines. This is what we call slight edge principle. Slight edge principle. May I ask, how many of you have listened to the slight edge audio? How many of you have listened to the slight edge audio? Please type me on the chat page. Or not yet. Okay? Slight edge, my goodness. Okay. Not yet. Okay. Saglit lang. Okay, wala nang stocks. Slight edge is in our Start Right CD. How many of you ever start right CD? Okay. Upline. Okay, thank you, Lester. Lester, can you share to ano? Can you care to share the link to your Slide Edge? And the question is, how many of you have listened to the Slide Edge audio series, audio CD? Okay. Habang yung ginagawa ni Lester, ito yung Slide Edge. What's uncomfortable early, yan. So, hanapin ninyo dun sa playlist ni Lester. Thank you, Lester. Sa chat page. Yung Slide Edge Principle. This is the Slide Edge Principle. Simple disciplines made consistent over time are easy to do but are also easy not to do. What is a discipline? What is an error in judgment? A discipline is when you take an action that is consistent with your goal. An error in judgment is when you do an action that is against or away from your goal. So if I want to lose weight and I eat ice cream, that is an error or a discipline? An error. Because I want to lose weight. If I want to gain weight and gain fat, eating ice cream is a discipline. If I want to become Ruby and I don't attend Saturday morning training in BDT, error or discipline? If I don't invite to the BOM, I don't invite to the NDT, I don't read books, and I want to be Ruby, error in judgment or discipline? So, what happens? Sa simula, the disciplines are clear, but it's easy to do and also easy not to do. What do we need to do? 5-5-5 work plan. 5 calls per day, 5 presentations per week, 5 sign-ups per month. It's comfortable to do Facebook. It's comfortable to read. It's comfortable not to attend training. But what happens? Eventually, dahil hindi tayo gumagalaw, maya-maya, babagsak na yung results natin. But if tama yung ginagawa natin every week, for the next 90 days, every day, we talk to one new prospect, top prospect, guaranteed, by the 90th day, may momentum na yung business mo. Bakit wala pang momentum? Kasi puro error in judgment. May error in judgment kaysa mag-attend ng training, nagpe-Facebook. Kaysa nagbabasa, nag-i-invite, anong ginagawa? Attend lang attend, hindi nagtatrabaho. Kaya nga, build the business and build your leadership. Bali wala yung leadership mo kung wala kang estudyante. Bali wala na maging teacher ka kung wala ka namang na-recruit na estudyante sa eskwela mo. So what happens? You need to apply the work and the training at the same time. So what is your end goal? So the end goal is, in the next 3 months, you want to build 4 wide and 5 deep. So first month, you sponsor 2x2, 2 wide, 2 deep. The next month, the third leg, and then 1 LOI under each. And by the fourth month, fourth month, you have the fourth leg. Yan. So dapat ganito yung structure in the next 90 days. So okay lang, first 2 LOIs. Yung number 1, first month yan. Diba? Okay, October. 3 levels deep, tapos isa 2 levels deep. Tapos the third month, 2-2. The third month, 3-3-3. Tapos pinapalalim mo every month. So how do you do the cycle? First, you sponsor them, you train them, then you plug everyone into the system. Hindi yung ikaw gagawa one-on-one lahat. Kasi kung ikaw gagawa one-on-one lahat, low-bat sila, low-bat ka rin. Empty bat lahat, hindi kayo nagtatawag, wala lang kausap. Alright? So we come to the last part of our training tonight. If you want to become Ruby in the next 90 days, you must be willing to pay the price. We are consolidating 20 years of hard work to earn 100,000 to just 90 days. What do you expect? Ang tanong lang, gusto mo ba ng fast track o gusto mo pa rin mag-work hard? And this is not even full-time, it's just part-time effort. So this is a little bit hazy, but what's here on the upper corner, the first number is 5 top prospects every 5 days. So dito, anong nakalagay dyan? 1 to 10, dapat ilalagay mo dyan yung names ng top prospects. Tapos, every week, re-review nyo ng upline mo yung 5 kinausap mo. So, meron dyan BOM, follow-up, NDT, strat session, cash flow, bootcamp, and BDD. Dapat lahat ng mga tao dyan, nakita mo nagpo-progress. So, this is good for 4 weeks, 20 top prospects in a month. If you're able to talk to 20 top prospects in a month, I guarantee there are 4 LOIs there. Number 2, attend, sa ibaba, attend, okay, delete ako. So number 1, 5 top prospects every 5 days. BOM, follow-up, NDT, strat session, cash flow, bootcamp, BDD. Check mo lang yan kung ano nangyari. And you will review this with your upline every week. Number 2, attend and promote events. Indicate how many packs attend. BDD, once a week. Saturday. BOM, twice a week. So, kailan ba? Wednesday ba and Saturday? Whatever. NDT, Saturday ba o nag-1-on-1 kayo? Lalagay mo dyan, hindi check or X. Lalagay mo kung ilan yung nag-attend. Halimbawa, BDD, nag-attend ka. Ang answer is 1. Ang gusto natin makita is every week, dumadami yung tao mo. Every week, dumadami. So, dati 1, ngayon 2, mamaya 3, mamaya 4, mamaya 5. Yung BOM, dati ikaw ilang, mamaya may 2 na, mamaya 3 na, 4, 5. Dapat dumadami. Okay lang, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 5, 5, 5, 6, 6, 6. Okay lang yon. Pero dito makita kung paabante o paatras yung negosyo mo. Number 3, engage self and others in personal development. So, read books 30 minutes a day. Book number 1, developing the leader from within you. Book number 2, how to win friends and influence people. As you're going through your presentations, you will feel these books are very relevant. Letter B, listen to audio trainings 1 hour per day. Educating Your Expectations by Artemis Limpert, Magic of Colors by Jerry Clark, and With and Depth by Jerry Clark. So itong audio trainings na to are enough to teach you how to become Ruby. Number 4, bootcamp enrollees. Target is 10 across organization. 10. So these 10 people should attend the bootcamp under your team across 4 legs. If you have them in the bootcamp, then your business will fly after the bootcamp. Attend all Ruby Intensive Leadership classes, which is 2 hours per week, which we will hold every Monday, 8 to 10 p.m. And this is going to be a review. But what's going to happen is that you have to meet with your upline, Ruby executives and up, so that you become accountable to them on your journal. So you're gonna review this with them. Hindi lang yung attend the training, wala ba kayong ginagawa sa labas. Kasi kung puro tayo training, walang trabaho, professional students. Di ba? So, this is the kickoff of our 90-day program. It begins in October and it will end on January. We will have a break after December, second week of December, and we will resume after the bootcamp mid-January. So some announcements. The bootcamp is happening on January 7 and 8. On January 6, all Ruby executives are invited to a special leadership training. on Friday. The venue is going to be somewhere here in Ortigas. And January 7 and 8 is the boot camp. January 9, from people from the province, block off your schedules. Go home ideally January 9. January 10 evening or January 11. Anong gagawin natin January 8? We will run a special Ruby training school for our provincial guests and even local guests so that we get them the right skill sets for them to take action. And in the evening, there will be a special training by our guest speaker. On Tuesday, we will have a Power BOM. And I encourage you to use Tuesday to do blitz one-on-ones with your team's Manila prospects. All right? Yes, I will send out to all Ruby executives the commitment sheet. And here's the thing. Starting next week, we will run the training series, and there is going to be an enrollment. Not everyone is allowed to attend the trainings. Only the people who will enroll will be allowed to attend the trainings. Okay? And the people who will enroll must be LOI and up. Okay? And say hi. Okay. Must be LOI and up. And there's a fee of 1,000 pesos for the online platform and some books and audio materials. And you will register with your upline Ruby executives who will be your coaches for this program. If you enroll, you have to be ready to step up because we're going to make some magical changes in the next 90 days. And these next 90 days will be something that you will appreciate for the rest of your life because this will transform you to become the right leader in your business. In ending, we are for you to understand what you're gonna go through. Listen to this audio track. On the chat page, there is a link. It's called Blitz and Grow Rich. Listen to it and understand the principles of building massive momentum in your business within the next 90 days. So, coordinate with your upline Ruby executives. Upline Ruby executives deadline is on Sunday next week for the Monday training. Only the people who have registered and paid 1,000 pesos will be allowed to that training. As this is not a simple training, it is a program. A program, which means you're not going to sit and listen. You're going to take action and be trained. That's what we're going to do. We're not going to train, and sit. Okay? So, with that, any questions before we close? There being none, good night, and see you all this week. Bye.